Welcome to the Weather Center. On our most recent cloud picture, we are seeing this cold front that developed this Wednesday, producing a bit of cloud over the central parts of the country. Over the western areas, we are seeing a lot of cloud pushing into the west coast and the adjacent interior ahead of these two cold fronts, which are going to be sweeping across South Africa as we go through Thursday. Now, talking of Thursday, it's going to be overcast over the southwestern areas with wet and cold conditions and heavy rain possible in places. Less intense rainfall is forecast for the southern and western parts of the Northern Cape as well as much of the Eastern Cape. Wet weather is expected to reach KwaZulu-Natal in the evening. Snowfalls are forecast for the highlying areas of the Western and Eastern Cape provinces. Otherwise, it's going to be mostly sunny for northeastern South Africa with hot temperatures along the Limpopo and Mpumalanga low-veld areas where a high fire danger warning is in place. Moderate to fresh winds are forecast on Thursday across the bulk of South Africa, but look out for gale force winds along much of the south coast, including around Port Elizabeth. Let's take it closer to your part of the country, and we start with KwaZulu-Natal, where wet weather is forecast in the evening along the coastal areas and the adjacent interior. Otherwise, comfortably warm afternoon temperatures are forecast for most places. It's going to be wet and cold across much of the Eastern Cape, much of the interior, seeing highs just making it into the mid-teens. Port Elizabeth will peak at around 17 degrees. It's going to be wetter and colder as we go towards the Western Cape. George managing a high of just 12, the same for Oudtshoorn. We are expecting temperatures around 13 degrees for Hermanus, Cape Town, as well as Langaban, where heavy rains are possible in places. Wet weather is also forecast further north in Springbok, where temperatures will just make it to around 7 in the afternoon. Overnight temperatures are going to be below freezing for the eastern parts of the Northern Cape, a bit of drizzle for the southern sections. Mostly sunny skies are forecast across much of the Free State. It's going to be rather chilly here around Bloemfontein with a high of just 13 degrees. Mostly sunny skies are forecast for the northwest. Top temperatures are going to lie in the upper teens. We are expecting sunny and warmer weather for much of Limpopo, hot as we go towards the low-veld areas with highs in the lower 30s. Skukuza is going to hit the 35-degree mark. It's also going to be hot in Bombela. Otherwise, mild temperatures are forecast for the Mpumalanga Highveld. Just a bit of cloud for Gauteng. Pretoria should warm up to around 25 degrees. Mostly sunny skies are forecast on Friday across the bulk of South Africa. Light rain for Richards Bay, Durban, as well as Port Elizabeth. Clear skies are forecast on Saturday for the bulk of the country.